Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video, we're going to be decorating our coffee table for Cinco de Mayo. So we're starting out here by removing what was already on the table and get this all cleaned up so that we can start fresh when we start decorating. Now this video is part of a collaboration called the Cinco de Mayo Open Collab, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. Now the co-host of this collaboration is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's me, Miscellaneous Bee, the Rodgers House, and Debby Bubbles. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all you oldies and goodies that have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Okay, so this is as far as I've gotten. So we wiped the table down, so I didn't show that part. And then I went ahead and I placed a green tablecloth and then a white runner. So now what I'm doing is I decided to take the red one and tie it at the ends. And I think this gave it a really nice look. It almost looks like a ribbon. Now I thought it would be nice to add this red vase. So the colors that we're supposed to be using are green, white, and red. And so I thought this was appropriate for the center of the table. Now subscribing to the channel is totally free, and every time you click that like button, you help us YouTube content creators to grow on YouTube. And don't forget to comment below, because I would love to hear from you. I'm gonna go ahead and leave you the music as I finish decorating this table. so I am pretty much done. We're going to go ahead and light some candles here and then head on over to the reveal. I do want to take the time and thank the hosts and the co-hostesses for this collab. I think the table came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.